Dear students, let us continue our discussion on solid waste management. Digestion. There are two types of digestion. One is aerobic digestion and anaerobic digestion. Aerobic digestion is a process in solid waste treatment designed to reduce the volume of the waste and make it suitable for subsequent uses. I repeat, aerobic digestion is a process in solid waste treatment designed to reduce the volume of the waste and make it suitable for subsequent uses. The organic waste like food waste, cardboard, agricultural and horticultural waste can be decomposed in the presence of oxygen by microbial activity. Bacteria rapidly consume organic matter and convert it into carbon dioxide, water, and a range of low molecular weight organic compounds. Anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion is a process through which bacteria break down organic matter to biomass with the liberation of biogas in the absence of oxygen. The biogas that is generated is mostly methane, the primary component of natural gas. The non-methane components of biogas are removed and the methane can be used as an energy source. Some type of organic matter break down more easily than others. Generally, the more digestible organic matter produces more biogas. When anaerobic digestion is used to break down different types of organic waste in the same digester, it is known as co-digestion. So, the difference between aerobic and anaerobic digestion is very clear. In aerobic digestion, the decomposition of the organic matter takes place in the presence of air or oxygen, whereas in the anaerobic digestion, the decomposition of the organic matter takes place in the absence of oxygen or air. The decomposition of the organic matter is a microbial activity, so it is done by the bacteria. In case of anaerobic digestion, it is to be noted that the major product is methane or the primary component of the natural gas, and that can be used as a fuel. That is the advantage of the anaerobic digestion. Again, in the anaerobic digestion, say if the digestion of different types of organic waste is taking place in the same digester, it is better known as co-digestion. Anaerobic digestion system. Anaerobic biogas digesters are airtight reactors in which organic waste is decomposed and transformed into biogas by a biological process called anaerobic digestion. You can see the plant. So, this is the anaerobic digester. So, this is airtight and the organic waste is charged to the anaerobic digester, and by the microbial activity or by the action of the bacteria, we are getting the biogas. This is the biogas handling system and we can use it as an energy source. And the byproducts, we are getting solid co-products as well as liquid co-products. The biogas is recovered and transformed into heat or any other form of energy. The solid as well as liquid co-products are used as nutrient-rich fertilizers. Dumping. Dumping is the oldest form of waste disposal. In dumping, a particular site is identified for landfill and the municipal waste are dumped there. Open dumps cause degradation of environment because of open burning. The municipal solid waste often contains many hazardous substances which may cause environmental pollution and related problems. In dumping, see, in order to minimize the volume of the waste, it is usually burnt, So when the waste are burnt, it creates a major environmental problem. Recently, the waste are buried in the dumping sites. The grave consequences of open waste dumping are the deterioration of soil, finally affecting the nearby water resources. I repeat, the grave consequences of open waste dumping are the deterioration of soil, finally affecting the nearby water resources. Soils at the disposal sites show high pH and electrical conductivity in comparison to other sites. Various heavy metal concentrations, that is lead, copper, nickel, chromium and zinc, were also found to be higher at the dumping sites. Dumping of the solid waste is a major environmental problem. Land treatment. Land treatment is defined as the controlled application of waste and wastewater onto the land surface to achieve a specified level of treatment through natural, physical, chemical and biological process within the plant soil water matrix. I repeat once again the definition for land treatment. Land treatment is defined as the controlled application of waste and wastewater onto the land surface to achieve a specified level of treatment through natural, physical, chemical and biological process within the plant soil water matrix. The selection and design of the land treatment will ensure minimum impact on the environment and minimum cost of operation. Land treatment and composting. Composting of waste is an anaerobic method of decomposing solid waste. The process involves decomposition of organic waste into humus known as compost, which is a good fertilizer for plants. However, the term composting is used worldwide with different meanings. In fact, compost is a soil amendment, which is a mixture of decomposed organic materials. Compost improves soil structure, texture and aeration while increasing the ability of soil to retain water. Aerobic composting. The organic domestic waste can be completely disposed by aerobic composting and the compost formed is a good biofertilizer. So you can see the figure. So the naturally degradable or biodegradable organic waste are collected and in presence of air by the action of bacteria it is decomposed or it is degraded and we are getting good biofertilizer. Anaerobic composting. The anaerobic composting is a good practice to digest the waste naturally and to convert it to biofertilizers. I repeat, the anaerobic composting is a good practice to digest the waste naturally to create humus, an excellent nutrient-rich material for healthy plant growth. That is all in this particular session, and you are given the assignment: briefly discuss land treatment and composting. The last date for submitting the assignment is November 21, 2020. Thank you.